Hey, Mr. Stan 913 here. Today I'm going to replace my old door knocker on our inside door with this cute little bunny rabbit door knocker that Dorothy picked up. Uses 2 screws, but in order to do that, I have to take this door knocker off, which I did, but I'm going to show you what I had to do with the screws. So the old door knocker, we have these screws here, and what I did was I have to make these flush. So I took a oscillating tool and I shaved the screw down because the new door knocker is going to be placed over this. But using my oscillating tool, I'm going to cut this screw down so it's flush to the door. So I have the screw in a vise, and what I'm going to do is just take my oscillating tool and with a metal blade cut this down so it's flush against the door. And the reason why I didn't want to fill it in is because it's a big gaping hole. So I just want to cut the screws down. We're never going to use them again. We're just going to keep it flush against the door and then put the new door knocker over it. So I got it cut, and I'm going to come around here, put her in the door. See, it's flush. So now the new door knocker is going to go right here. So Dorothy's going to hold it up, and that's how it's going to go. So we're going to make some marks here. And I'm going to drill tiny little holes, then screw it in. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a slight little bit drill hole in here so I can start the screw. I'm going to have to move over here. I'm hand tightening the screws in. Let me take my glasses out of my mouth. I'm hand tightening the screws in, and I just got it started. So now I'll finish hand tightening them and we should be finished. Okay, so there it is. So screws are flush down here. A new door knocker, real cute little bunny rabbit. Got rid of that old looking door knocker we had for years. Can't even see the screws. They won't pop out on the other side. So if this is your first time watching, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you'd like to receive future notifications, hit the bell. Like this video, give it a thumbs up. Mr. Stan 913, installing a bunny rabbit door knocker. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.